We did. We again. I said I saved my fellowship, CSR fellowship. I used to get 5,000 per month. They used to give in one-time bulk. I saved 25,000 rupees. It is $250 US dollar.
250.
Yeah.
Yes.
So saved for 5 years, and then started nursery. So and that seeded money. My own family resources.
Started in 2001.
Yes.
Today is 2023.
Yeah,
And it
20,
has become
almost
like this.
2 decades.
Amazing.
So this is we don't have fence. No, this is different from forest department. They will have fence, security guard. We don't have security guard. We don't have anybody to maintain. So we have thousands of sandalwood inside. People already cut it.
How many? How often did you plant in this area?
So in 2000,
Yes.
we repeated planting 5 years.
Every week.
Monsoon in the sense 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
But every day did you plant
WhatsApp
this?
कर देना अपना number.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
what we did, we made a group, village group.
First school
Right,
in the
yeah.
world.
The
In the world, in the world.
Yeah.
School of forest farmers.
Yes.
First in the world.
Our-
lunch.
They're all our
we
teachers.
you have inaugurated. We are validating.
Yes.
Yes.
So
That
5 years, in 5 years, here 95% failure.
Why?
Because the rock. We introduced some of the fast growing plants which are not native. So the maintenance require water. So wherever there is a soil, we dig and put. We grow on the rock. This kind of plants. So 95% failure. We repeated again. So second year 10% to 15% increase.
yield आया.
So in next 5 years, at least we got success 60%. And nature took over. Birds came.
No fencing.
Birds did all those, and again wind, nature itself is taking over. We are not doing any planting now. We are just coming. We are using this as a showcasing. That is why we made a school.
School, okay.
So the same land, you can look at that maize, American corn, right?
Right.
Look at that. Even though yesterday rained, you can see the wilting. So that require heavy maintenance.
Yes.
And-
This doesn't require me.
Yes, and there is no requirement, no maintenance. So no human resource. Every year you need much.
We are going inside.
So welcome. So yeah. So
Kapil Venkatesh.
yes,
Inauguration.
he is our guru of.
He is the same, by the way. It's not different. Same.
So welcome. So yeah, I will give you this leaf. I will. Welcome. Guru, you come here. Yeah, I'm giving you a gift. Come. It is not. It's not going to grow, but it's going to decompose. Microbes will grow, earthworm will grow, biodiversity will come back. So you can throw it. So welcome. Okay.
We don't take anything from this place home.
You can put it there. It will decompose. Yes. So everything recycled. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ so my elder brother come they hesitate to ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡರು so my elder brother
His elder brother Kempegowda.
oh your brother
City was built by Kempegowda.
so they are the maintaining
Bangalore city was built by Kempegowda.
this forest built by Rangegowda, my father. We are 4 brothers, 3 sisters, and our whole village and neighboring villages. So my younger brother, Mr. Krishnamurthy, is again re-inaugurated by again Professor Guruji. You can stand. It doesn't block now. You will be in the center of the world.
Our worry is
There is Guruji. ನೀವು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ picture. We have picture. We share it.
Marali, I tell you something.
Everybody has to come.
Family members. Sir. Credit goes to all family members of my leader.
That's why
I tell you, are we not family?
No.
We are all one family.
yes.
All credit goes to every human
Very,
being.
very, very well.
Being here itself is a family.
Initial pain, they have taken a lot of pain.
they have put in effort.
So this is Professor Tupil's and my friend. ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ.
When he lost Tagore,
You must be knowing.
alive here.
This is a Bodhi tree. Thousands of this doesn't die. Okay, thousands, 2,000 years it will survive. Yes,
When Tagore passed away,
yes.
the plant was given.
So on his memory, because he used to go here, you always tell Malali to visit. This Chikmagalur. It's just 30 minutes from here. So he's living with us.
Actually, Krishnamurthy can explain more than me, since
you can explain. Sir. Actually, you know each and everything of each minute area of this entire campus. Actually, this campus starts here on August 15th every year. Our flag hosting will be done here. At least once in a year,
This is the spot.
all of us, without any notification,
We'll assemble here.
all will assemble along with the local peoples and villagers and the nearby peoples. Will gather here and you will spend almost a day here, and you will take a memory of this tree, and again you will start spreading this to
Other area.
other areas. Like that means, like me, there are n number of volunteers are there. This is already become a forest. This concept you are taking to other places. Our main intention is this type of environment has to be created throughout world.
So that is why Professor Gustavo is here.
Throughout world, see,
That's right.
each family can create entire family.
Earth
This
is
is our-
one, Mother Earth.
Yes, this is our main concept. See, here we are not putting any money, we are not raising any funds or all this. See, it has done by like-minded people connecting hands together and taking the concept of Marali, we are moving forward.
Nowadays, you know, Modi gives Padam Shri to people like this only.
So we'll bring him
Modi
next
bids
time.
in 24.
So next year,
you
both
will
of
get Padam Shri.
responsibility, bring him here.
You will
Spread
will
across
get
India. We will create a separate mission on green forest mission.
We have created a small walkway. Here only we are removing the weeds. Nowhere we are using any like that natural.
You cannot go left or right. You have to go straight.
No, you can go, but you have to make some effort.
inside. No, we will not make it. We will enjoy the birds.
See, sir, here you have created almost 2 feet of this one. It's almost 2 to 3 feet of fertile land.
Like in my farm, it's like this.
Which birds come here normally?
All type of birds are there, especially all type of birds. See, due to birds only, it has become like that. See, this one you have only planted one plant. Others are created by birds only. Birds only.
Where you planted?
See, actually, sir, this is actually rock. See, this is actually rock.
All rocks are here.
This is rock. Here it is already created soil.
What a laboratory, what an experiment. What a success, what a result. Huh?
Even single branch is not going out of this area.
It will fall here, it will rot here.
Yes, it is creating. See, if it is falling,
It is
Foreign will remain here.
yes, it will remain here.
Okay.
And another good part is, see, original plants are coming now, sir.
Oh,
See, whatever our village people are telling,
like Deva Kanige.
yes, what they are telling is, we have lost seeing those plants
For years.
5 years together. Those things are coming now due to the fertility of the land.
Thank you. So go, friends.
Spending long time now.
नहीं, मैं अभी वहाँ जा रहा हूँ फार्म हाउस है डॉक्टर वेंकटेश का.
ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರ್ಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
So, I don't know if they are explained. You know, can you see this? These are we have planted, introduced. We maintained initial days with water source, outside water source.
So, this is native plant. This is native plant.
No, I'm talking about, this
Native.
silver oak.
Silver oak.
You can see that plant is standing there, there is silver oak. So that comes in where there is a soil, more water. So we wanted to, they grow faster. So we grow like that, some of the trees which grow faster, shooting, and they attract the birds. So for that, our team has used our own water them every year.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕರೆ ಇದೆ?
So then what happened?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು
They grow very well. During drought period, they actually broke. They was split. Okay, they cannot survive. We didn't water.
Too dry.
Yeah, because native we has to die.
That's right.
I mean, introduced one. Native they have to come back. So that's why they are died.
And they fall.
And now they're decomposing. So here nobody will take from here. We are not adding any external material,
Right.
or we are taking. So it's a decomposition, it's a fertilizer.
Natural.
Yes, it's a recycling. A fungus will grow, and all the decomposition, all those happen.
Ants will be.
Yes, innumerable. We can't count. In our DNA sequencing also, we can't count that number. So you take a soil, you have billions of microbes. Yes. So on the rock, you have trillions. We can't count. Yes. Yes. What happens? If you don't clean it and let them come. So this is our meeting ground. Okay? This is our snake plant. Yeah, this is our meeting room. Originally, when we started, nothing was there. This was our meeting hall. Very beginning, we didn't have anything. So we don't have building as of today. My one mobile is by building. So we planted all these. Under this, we used to have a meeting. And so we plant all the trees. And more important, so we don't immediately tree within a year. Okay, we need a tree within a year. You want to try it. Take a picture of it.
I tried.
Okay, Guruji, ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ yeah.
This was one
ಗುರುಜಿ
of
ಈ
the
ಕಡೆ
ones-
ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ
This one of the ones we planted.
ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀವು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಎನಿವೇ ನೋಡಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಾರಿ ಓಕೆ ಹಾ
1, 2,
ಏ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಹಾಕಿ ಏ can you pull
1, 2, 3.
anybody can pull no not all of us we are not able to pull one how it is holding
Like Bhima
this
was
is one of those plants and this plant I gave a I don't know where is the video person.
Yeah.
You have to tell us.
He has, he has renewed now.
Here,
Now he
here,
says if you break it, $100.
Yes. So one minute. So this plant has a beautiful biology, flower biology. I'm telling you the floral biology. Whatever planting you heard about RD and all this, and this I think around I guess 6, 7 years old. It once in a lifetime it flowers.
Once in a lifetime.
Then it will be dead. But by that time you will have a lot of small babies. I don't know, here some are coming. And what happens when they get a flower? Flower convert. There will be a flower seed convert into the plantlet. Okay. They fall from that. They actually mini plant is germinated. So how this beautiful and it just if you drop it also it grows.
Even on a rock, it will start growing.
Yeah. You don't need human help. But I made you the demo.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡು.
Yeah. See. So this is what the utility of this. So a lot of farmers used to use it, and more important, you will get snakes here.
Even you can create the fence in our entire.
So why you get
No animal
No
can
animal will
because
can enter.
temperature is high here,
Cool.
and then is cold.
Rats are there.
So
Yellow.
almost 20 degree.
Yellow.
You know aloe vera. So they go and wrap and then sleep there. So when there is high temperature time, it is a habitat for snakes. You have to when this plant is there, you have to be careful walking. Oh, every wheat plant. So there will be dynamics of different plants and trees.
They compete.
Yes, ecosystem. Yeah.
Sir, come here. You see the miracle here.
Your mountain we can cover. Yes. So if you from what is the temperature minus maybe minus we can bring into 2 plus. Warming also.
There's a hole.
Yeah. So there will be some snakes inside. Okay. They will be habitat. Luckily we'll find. There will be a I don't know what is that? Chameleon. There will be exactly same type. They will be coming and making eggs. Those are all conserved because of this. And we have a little water pond here. So Krishnamurthy and team here, they done another wonder. The product I showed you. Yeah, come here, all of you come. So we showed you how to create forest, right? And how this benefit to the society. Society, I like this. I am always jungle man. So, how this benefit to the village people? Otherwise, if you no benefit, they won't maintain it. We don't have fencing. So, the benefit what we got, we provided saplings free. 5 to 10 years we have done that. Now we don't have nursery. We made it purposely no nursery. We created a demand, and they are buying from different places. We are giving 10 plants earlier. Now they are. I heard they are reaching 1,000 plants. One farmer themselves they got the knowledge, and there is a wood. So how much value themselves they will do it. Other important with the government. This is the rock. When there is a rain, immediately waterfall. Water start moving. So around this this place, this forested place, we made a trench. So how many feet it is? 10 by 5 feet width. You can see around. It's already plants are grown.
Trenching.
Whatever water running out, it will be synced inside.
Okay.
So this phenomena.
ಮೊದಲು ಬೇಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬದ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಮೆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ
Come here. I just want to show you something.
ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್
Okay. Come all of you.
Different one? Different. Oh, same.
No. Yeah, I'm going to pull. You're just going to watch. You're going to record the video. Okay. So.
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕಿತ್ತರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
No. ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಬಂದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So if you see all these look like a soil, right?
Yeah.
Look like a soil.
Right.
But if underneath.
Is a total rock.
Yeah. Here you can see rock. I will show you the rock. How soil itself is formation. Okay. So I'm going to pull it. It's going to come out. Okay. Look at this.
Okay.
So there was no soil earlier.
Soil.
So this come from the air, wind. So this become a colonizing with organic matter, with grasses. So it become a. So whole earth is combination of biological and geochemical reactions.
The surface of the earth is like
ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ
an apple peel. That's all.
So yeah, if you see that below, I will show you. There will be a. Look at the root zone, how it is. It's producing fumicol acid, many chemicals is spreading, using dissolve the, and there will be life, different biodiversity.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So this produce many now. It will grow. Yeah, we'll go this side. So we have another. Fires, yes.
Sometimes
Yeah,
when
Guruji,
it's
you
dry,
can explain about fires. We have
sometimes when
it
it's
happens,
dry,
but in rainforest,
yeah.
frequency of lot of similar type of plants, and they catch a fire. So in rainforest, generally, not fire. If you remove this, there will be weed comes. The weed catches the fire. So that is why diversity mixed plantation is the buffer for the
Protection.
Yes. Whole area. Yeah. So ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಈ ಕಡೆ
Don't yeah, there is snake. I mean, they built in a snake. So this area is maybe thousands of years. It ruled by different rulers, and then human is divided into civilization, sub-civilizations, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, and all this. In India itself, we had a Jainism, one of the Indian civilization culture. So this area we have a Bahubali. Jain.
Gomateshwar, I told him all the way.
Just 1 hour from here, and it is a single monolithic. The build.
So the bottom of the
Yes.
building, the hill, it's single.
So that also symbolizes, sacrificing it. War is not the, answer. Like Ashoka, so similar. So here, before doing this afforestation, so we had a stones like this. Okay, we have around here. It's like a kutira. Olden days, traditional way, people used to have a hut like that with plants. Over the period, I don't know, because we are a recent generation. What we heard, so there will be a meditation people used to do here. Jain Munis. Okay, so our village witnesses, when we did the desilting of our lake water bodies, so we found all this archaeological material. So yes, so we made them put it here because it's our heritage. So if you put them together, okay, this is the head. I think that is the middle. This is here. Put it here. Backside look like a snake. You can come and see backside. That is, you can see like a snake tail. Here you can look at how beautifully they would, Ashoka. Always pillars, stone. So if you have a cement, it goes 20-30 years. Stone, he was a very thoughtful person. Everywhere Ashoka pillars. Thousands of years people remember. That is what. And we found that, we put it here. And we preserve this, we have 5 of the circles. And people thought there is a gold here, people dig it, and we put the plant. This is the sandal, it was here. That is naturally came. This we planted it. So people want to do meditation, they can do here. So we will take you to the meditation place now. When I was a kid, I used to see there was a forest here. I had seen. And before the period, watch out your top and bottom. Both are important. Good. You have a cap. So, okay, you can record here only 1 minute. I think, yeah. Whatever they want to hear. Now people are not noisy. Yeah. I think voice from 3 of you is important. Inside the jungle, you have to focus when they are talking, show their face and also show the around. Yeah.
Yeah, you
Professor.
see, this is actually lifetime experience for me to see that this kind of transformation can happen with the people who are on the ground. Actually, and this Dr. Malali, I think he has created this in his small thought process. But the important point was what he has done is he has made sure that people have taken ownership, and not only ownership, now they are multiplying. Other people are taking ownership. So I think this initiative is really mind-boggling, and I think it must be recorded with the highest, compliments to Dr. Malali and
Thank you
his
so
team.
much. Yeah, you need to yourself introduce
Yeah,
who
yeah.
you are.
My
and
name
also I
is-
will, if you don't mind, I will just.
Yeah, my name
then
is Dr. Gyani.
Because, yeah.
I am currently Director General, Association of 21,000 Hospitals in India. And before that, I served for 10 years as Secretary General, Quality Council of India.
So you come here. After that, please, Guruji, you have to be here.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Take as a video. Yeah, now you are going to speak, and then you will speak later.
Okay.
Or you will speak first.
Go ahead.
No, you speak.
Okay.
Yeah, and then Guruji will conclude.
This is a big surprise for me. I come from the other side of the world, from Bolivia, where the Amazon is located, and there are several other intermediate altitude areas that are barren. So this concept is going to go, thanks to Malali and DNA Life, going to be exported to America, and it will change the geosphere there in a very favorable way for all humans that survive in those areas. So thank you very much, Dr. Malali. This
Thank
is
you.
outstanding.
Thank you.
I'm so proud to be your ambassador, taking these things over there.
Thank you.
It is wonderful.
Thank you. So thank you for all the way coming. 40 hours.
We are also grateful, sir, so that we can see you in our land.
And I'm
Maybe
coming
you can
back.
tell now. Yeah.
And I'm
Yeah, you
coming
can.
back to see
words.
my plants grow in how long? In 1 year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 year you cannot pull it. Yeah. Guruji.
I am blessed, Dr. Malali. I am really, truly blessed, my dear. You are like my younger brother or my son.
Thank you so much. Your blessing.
I wanted to show this to the whole world. The world is here. This is the world for me. Because this is the world. They will spread the message. You know, Malali proved one thing, which is during Vedic time, it says, think globally but act locally. Think globally but act globally. He and his brother, his family members, starting from his father, Gene,
And friends like him.
friends like him,
Whole
have
community.
achieved. Look at this. If I had come 10 years ago, I would not have picked up this
Fruit. You got a fruit.
I would not have picked up this. Today, wherever I put my hand, there's life. He created life around. That is the DNA life. And there is no pollution. People say dilution is not a solution for any kind of pollution. Here, there is no pollution. There is no need to dilute anything. And this message should go to all NGOs across the world, all environmentalists, all government officials. Without the help of any government, forest has been created by an NGO. Without the money drawn from the bank, trees have grown. Without boring the well and pulling out the water, the plants have taken water from the moisture. Without anything creating a zoo, birds have come and rested here. Nobody created a zoo. Nobody created a bird's nest here. Birds have created. If 1% of the plants are created or initiated by humans, 99% is initiated by the birds. How did the bird come? You have given that. Empower not only humans, empower the animals and nature. Always Gary says, empower. He has truly empowered nature. Nature is empowered, Malali,
Thank you.
and
All
it
of
has
you.
given us oxygen which was sold during COVID. The COVID patients should have brought here, put them in tents. Half of them would have survived, I tell you.
What Professor said, 1 year from now we will come. Let
Yes.
us not forget.
Yes, yes.
This day, 1 year later,
Yes.
we will be celebrating 50th anniversary.
Yes.
Today is
Today,
my
so this day,
Oh, yeah. I want to give you the same thing. You have to take this and plant in your farm.
today is
sure.
It's a
49.
gift.
49.
Okay. Congratulations. See how the coincidence.
This is bilwa, no?
Yeah, no, this is like a passion fruit. But yeah, it's a wild. It will grow. You are going there. At least you will plant there.
I'll make him
20,
plant.
30
I'll make him
seeds are
plant.
there inside.
I'll make you
Thank you.
plant.
Thank you, everybody.